This one is just as good as the other one that I was playing with in the other video for $50 less. I'll link this one down below in the description for you guys too. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. It's so good to see all of your awesome faces here again. A couple of days ago, I reviewed the Rode NTG microphone, which is a fantastic on-camera microphone. But today I wanted to review the Rode NTG5, which I'm currently talking on right now, which I have a feeling is gonna be my primary microphone that I'm gonna be using down here in the studio from now on. So we're gonna review the Rode NTG5 microphone today, but we're also gonna compare it to the Rode NTG and the Rode VIDEOMIC Pro Plus for you guys. I know a couple of you guys DM me on Twitter, on Instagram, and you guys wanted me to compare all three of them. And I'm gonna make sure I cover that for you guys today while I'm reviewing the Rode NTG5. But before we get started, if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe, and only if you guys end up liking this video, please make sure you guys destroy that like button for me. Now, Rode launched the NTG5 shotgun microphone less than 6 months ago and aimed it towards professional filmmakers and those that needed a higher end studio microphone for a price that wouldn't break the bank. In the box, you get the Rode NTG5 and a ton of other accessories. You get an RM5 mic clip, a pistol grip shock mount, a Rode pouch to carry your microphone around when you're traveling, an XLR cable, and both a foam and WS10 windshield. Now, the foam windshield is for much lighter conditions. Say you're somewhere where you're inside, like in a room or in a studio like this, where there isn't too much noise. That's where you guys would use the foam windshield. Whereas the WS10 windshield is meant for much rougher conditions. So say you guys are outside somewhere by the beach or somewhere in the mountains and you guys are filming and there's a ton of wind coming in, a draft coming in from every which side. This is the windshield that you guys would use in those conditions. If you guys are wondering, I also spoke to Rode about a couple of other accessories, and yes, the Rode NTG5 is compatible with the Blimp and the Boompole Pro. Just in case you guys are wondering, it is compatible with those two accessories. The NTG5 is compatible with any phantom power source that's out in the market and does not consume as much power as other shotgun microphones out there, according to Rode. I want to get into the design of this microphone first because I feel that's just as important as the sound quality is. The Rode NTG5 is the shortest and the lightest shotgun microphone in the industry. Its body is made of an aerospace aluminum that feels very strong and expensive. Coming in at 76 grams, this microphone is actually 30 grams lighter than the Rode NTG microphone we reviewed a couple of days ago. Now, yes, the Rode NTG does have a built-in battery, but even when you take the battery into consideration and separate the weight difference, the Rode NTG5 is still much lighter. I have a good feeling that thanks to its weight, this microphone was designed with boom mic operators in mind. If you guys are one of those girls or guys out there that are boom mic operators, I don't think I've ever seen a girl as a boom mic operator. They probably are. I usually see guys all the time because they're always complaining about how heavy the microphone is. Definitely, if you guys get a chance, check out this microphone. I promise you it will make a big difference in those longer filming situations for you guys. Sound performance with this microphone is actually amazing as well. It has the lowest self noise out of any shotgun mic in the industry at 10 dBA, which makes everything sound super natural and super crisp. It also does a terrific job of rejecting sounds from the side of the microphone and the rear. Actually, let me just show you guys. All right, guys, this is what the Rode NTG microphone sounds like from the side, and this is what the Rode NTG microphone sounds like from the rear. Oh, okay, so now, I initially looked at the Sennheiser MKH416 microphone, which comes in at around $1,000. But thankfully, I watched Parker Walbecks' review of the best shotgun microphones, where his favorite in the test for the price was the Rode NTG6. However, in his recent studio tour video, he did say that he upgraded to Rode NTG5s throughout the whole studio, which helped me pick this microphone over the Sennheiser MKH416. I will leave links to his videos down below in the description for you guys in case you guys do want to check those out for yourselves. He compares it to 5 other shotgun microphones that are much more expensive and a few that are cheaper. Rode was not gassing us up when they said that this NTG5 was just as good, if not better, than microphones that cost 4 or 5 times the price out there. So for those of you that are thinking $500 is expensive for a studio microphone like this, think again. In my personal opinion, I feel like this microphone is actually underpriced, but don't tell Rode that. Now, before we get into the mic test, I do want to mention something that you guys should actually think about. Yes, this microphone is $500, But when you go out and pick up the pistol grip, the windshield, and the cable that this microphone comes with, you're spending almost $200 alone for those three. So in reality, you're only spending $300 for this microphone. If you think about it, that's the same price as the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, and I can assure you, this microphone doesn't sound nearly as good as the Rode NTG5 does, which we're now gonna test. All right, for this test, we're gonna review the Rode NTG5 microphone first, followed by the Rode NTG, and then lastly, we're gonna compare the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, and we're gonna see how all three of them sound down here in the studio, and you guys can go ahead and make your own educated decision on which one you guys think sounds the best, which you guys can leave down below in the comments section after this video is over. So this is what the Rode NTG5 microphone sounds like. This is what the Rode NTG microphone sounds like. This is what the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus sounds like. Once again, this is what the Rode NTG5 microphone sounds like. And once again, this is what the Rode NTG microphone sounds like. Once again, this is what the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus sounds like. So if you guys would like to purchase the Rode NTG5 microphone or the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus or the Rode NTG at no extra cost to you guys, I will leave Amazon affiliate links down below in the description for you. So there you have it. That was my honest review of the Rode NTG5 microphone. If you guys did end up liking this video, please make sure you guys destroy that like button for me. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.